guys. Pack our lunch with us real quick. All right, so we have our lunch bag from Amwho. I ordered this from Amazon. I'm gonna post the link for it. Okay, so this has 2 compartments on it. So we're gonna pack the bottom part first, which is insulated. So this bag comes with 3 ice packs that I've already pre-frozen. So these are gonna go in the bag. So I'm gonna make a little, I guess, a wall around the bottom compartment. So I'm gonna put in my drinks, Salami's drinks, Ananias's drinks, sandwich, and her sandwich. Those both have those are ham and cheese with mayonnaise on them, so those have to stay refrigerated. And I've also packed some snacks for Anaya, so she has her Go-Gurts. And her apple sauces. I also made her some mandarin slices, so we're gonna pop that in there too. And I made some cream cheese bagels. I made a large one and then a mini one for her, which we're probably gonna eat on the way, but I'm gonna put it in here because it's cream cheese. So I'm gonna keep it in there. And it's insulated on the top as well. So I'm gonna close it and zip. And it does have the 2 zipper feature, which is cute because, you know, you can open it halfway and pick, you know, reach in there and get what you want on either side. I really like this bag because I have used this in the summer, just going on trips to the park, picnics and stuff, to the pool, and it literally kept our drinks in here cold all day. And that was, like I said, in the summer. So now I'm gonna pack the top part, which is just gonna be snacks. So this here snaps to keep the handles together, which is a cool feature. And there's plenty of space in here. What looks like a small bag, but it really does have a lot of space inside, and a lot of, you know, pockets and different compartments. So you see this zipper here, so you can put your forks and stuff in here, because this is a shallow pocket. So this would, I would put utensils in here. So I'm gonna put her little cheddar snacks in here. So she got the cheddar squares and cheddar bunnies. One is probably gonna be for me. You saw that we packed a light lunch, so it's not, it's gonna be where it's at. So I got a bag of potato chips and pistachios for my. And again, we have the double zipper feature, so you don't have to open the whole thing all the way up. And we're gonna re-snap this. And so we have a front pocket here. What did I put in here? Oh, my charger. Because that's important. It's not food related, but it is equally important. So that's going to stay right in here. Well, actually, I'm just going to show you the piece. So it does have this here, like I said, this front pocket, which opens pretty wide. And then it has this little net thing, so you actually have 2 compartments here. You can put something here, and then you can put something in here. So I'm going to put my charger back in here. I'm gonna close that back up. And again, double zipper. So on this side of the bag, we have this here little compartment, and this is good for napkins or hand sanitizer. So if you had like a pack of napkins or tissues or whatever that you wanted to just put in here, and you can easily just snap one out without having to take the whole package out. So in this case, we're gonna try this out. Let me see. Yeah, it works for that too. I can just take one out, pull it out. I don't have to pull the whole thing out. So, on this side is another pocket, and this is good for like bottles or whatever, or cups you had. It has the elastic bands on here, so it stays, you know, sturdy. So it's not gonna, your stuff is not gonna be spilling out, but it does open wide if you need to open it, and it expands because of this here little dart here. So you can fit a decent amount of stuff here. So in this pocket, I'm just gonna throw my tissues in there. And then on the back, we have our straps. So not only can you carry it as a handbag, but being that it's heavy, strap that right on your back and carry it along and take it with you.